One of the reasons we started InvestIN was really to help every student to choose their future career and maximize their potential within that career.
We've been put through a lot of challenges in the past 10 days with the WET Experience program, where we went across so many different places and met so many different professionals, all of this kind of cool stuff, and it's really helped me with my confidence in my public speaking.
My favourite moment of the whole experience has been building the 4-stroke one-cylinder engine.
I think my favourite moment will be the fashion show.
My favourite moment has definitely been speaking to a career professional.
Absolutely the mock murder trial. That has been probably the most fun thing.
I think if I could sort of go back to my time when I was figuring out what I wanted to do for a career, I would really appreciate being able to trial different careers and being able to just test different things out.
So students can have a look at these specialties and see what plays to their strengths, their weaknesses, and see what they like and they don't like. I think there's nothing better than having a group of students that are really engaging.
I've really enjoyed living on the UCL campus.
The common space downstairs is amazing.
There's a park nearby and we've been playing there a lot, and yeah, it's just a lot of fun being here.
I think for a student coming from abroad to London, understand what professional life is like in one of the biggest and most important cities in the world for business is an opportunity really like no other.
Students can really build out their CV, really build out their experience, get an industry reference letter, whilst having something brilliant to put on their university and job applications for the future. And most importantly, they will have the best time of their lives and make a lot of new friends and have experiences they can find nowhere else in the world.
I did this last year and I loved it so much I'm back again.
I would definitely recommend it. Thank you, InvestIN.